By the way, David's holding the ladder. Oh, too many lines. That just looks okay. Yeah, a lot of laws. Well, for one, it's not on our property. That's one law. What are the other two laws?
Alignment is doing it.
That's true.
No,
Yeah? I'm gonna move this time, because that one's a little bit bigger than that one. That stick just fucking hit me.
That one should go
Or it'll hit you. Can't believe I got hit by a fucking stick.
Or like half a tree.
Yeah, that actually really hurt too. Hit me right in the side. I guess that's what I get for having to film all of this, huh?
Well, you know why your cameraman is Discovery Channel gets paid so much?
Yeah.